If your smart TV won't connect to Wi-Fi, connects but shows no internet, or can't find your network at all, this guide will help. Follow these 4 proven fixes in order. One of them usually solves the problem on almost any smart TV, regardless of brand or model. First, start with a proper restart, not a standby shutdown, a full power reset. Turn the TV off using the remote. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. This clears temporary memory and resets the TV's network module. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Before reconnecting, confirm your Wi-Fi is working by connecting another device, such as a phone. Then go to Settings, then Network, then Wireless or Wi-Fi. Select your network and enter the password. For many TVs, this step alone fixes the issue. Next solution: if the TV connects to Wi-Fi but shows no internet access, incorrect time settings are often the cause. Go to Settings, then General, then Date and Time or System Manager. Set the following clock mode to auto and time zone to auto. Incorrect date or time can block secure internet connections, even when Wi-Fi is connected. After updating the time, return to network settings and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Alright, next fix. If the TV still won't connect or just can't find your Wi-Fi network, you'll want to reset the network completely. So, head over to Settings, then General, then Network, and finally, Reset Network. Go ahead and confirm the reset. Just a heads up, this will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks from your TV. Once it's done, go back to Network Settings, pick Wireless, let the TV scan again, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. This step often fixes missing networks and those stubborn repeated connection failures. Okay, the last one. If none of these fixes worked, honestly, your TV might be just fine. The real issue could be your router. Sometimes those older 2.4 GHz only routers just don't play well with newer smart TVs. Here's a quick test. Turn on your phone's hotspot and try connecting the TV to it, even if you don't have mobile data. If the TV connects right away, then yeah, it's pretty clear the router's the problem. So, possible solutions here. You could upgrade to a dual-band router, which supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz, or you might just need to restart or even replace an older router. If this guide helped you out, go ahead and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick smart TV fixes.